A surge in labor costs leads to a decline in labor productivity. The health and safety of the store owner are the top priority. This is a common problem in the restaurant industry around the world.
앞으로 외식 창업 시장의 화두는 로봇이 될 것입니다. 이제는 푸드테크만이 답이며 이미 로봇이 인간을 대신해 일하는 시대입니다. 이것은 결코 남의 일이 아닙니다.
Now, the unmanned automation system in the restaurant market has become a matter of survival, not a matter of choice. Especially in the restaurant industry, where job hunting is becoming more difficult due to the high-intensity manual labor. Now, unmanned automation systems through food technology has become more essential. Today, I'm going to introduce a new technology that is helpful for restaurant industry. This is it, the Cookbot Chef.
The advantage of Cookbot Chef's cooking system is that it can produce the same recipe and taste anywhere. Various recipes can be set up and operated in the best condition. Cookbot Chef is made of 3 types. Fried robots make a variety of fried foods, including famous Korean chicken, pork cutlet, and donuts. Noodle robots can quickly produce various noodles such as jjangmyeon, adon, ramen, and pasta. Sprobot is conveniently making soups such as Korea's famous kimchi stew and silleongtang without a separate chef. Cookbot Chef will play a big role in military suppliers, school meals, and cafeteria, which have to manufacture many foods in a short period of time, as well as private restaurants. Chef Cookbot's incredible speed of making 60 bowls of noodles per hour and frying 48 chickens per hour has a phenomenal ability that humans can never keep up with. In addition, the open kitchen and performance that the robot chef presents gives customers a fresh feeling and gives them high credibility.
Can you tell us the vision of Cookbot Chef?
쿡복셰프는 인간을 위한 기계입니다. 인간이 없으면 쿡복셰프는 존재하지 않습니다. 즉, 우리 회사의 기본 이념은 인간 존중입니다. 단순히 기계 장치를 만들고 판매하는 것이 아니라 널리 인간을 이롭게 하는 것이기 때문에 그것을 알아주는 많은 고객분들이 있어서 우리 회사의 미래는 매우 밝다고 생각합니다.
The future of food tech is very bright and promising, and I have no doubt that the Cookbot Chef will be ahead of it. Also, will bring you a lot of wealth too. Now you saw it with your own eyes. The Cookbot Chef will be your friend and entrepreneur. Also, the robot tech era has already come for the food industry. Good luck with your wise choice with you. Thank you.